I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a winter migrant bird. The Oriental turtle dove. The Oriental turtle dove or Rufous turtle dove is a member of the bird family Columbidae. A dove with attractive plumage. The species has a wide native distribution range from Central Asia, east across Asia to Japan. Rufous scaled scapulars and wing coverts, dusky underparts, and a black and white striped patch on the side of its neck made of silver-tipped feathers. Populations in the higher latitudes tend to migrate south in winter, while those closer to the tropics are sedentary. Breeds in open lowland woods and copses with rich undergrowth, rather shy and keep well hidden in the tree canopy. Their calls are like locally named Peredigu Kayuru Kobeya. I have not seen the Oriental turtle dove. Babarakanda Waterfalls is the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. 863 feet tall, it is situated near Haputale. However, please note that on certain seasons, you do not find much water in this waterfall. Unfortunately, like the time we visited.